Holy cow, who do we have here?
Melissa.
And?
Andrea.
What are we doing, guys?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers. You trust us to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met?
100%.
You're crazy. You trust this guy to throw you out even though you just met? You're crazy too. Whose idea was this?
Kind of hers.
So it's her fault if this goes wrong and we don't make it to your next birthday?
Correct.
If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, confessions?
No, it's been great.
For me, it's the same every time.
Right.
Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn all of it, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock and skydive, have some fun. High five?
High five.
High five? Here we go, ladies. Woo! Yeah. Here we go. Say that again.
We did it!
What do you think of that?
It was so amazing.
You have fun, guys?
I'm still shaking.
Yeah! You guys gonna do that again?
Yeah!
Next time you go, I'll let you play with my balls, okay? So you can open the parachute, you gotta play with my balls next time.
Okay.
High five? High five? Thanks for coming out, guys. Skydive, Colorado Springs.